spoke a lot about when you're editing a note and how you can bring everything over while you're editing and you're in midstream thought, and so that you can access websites and forum notes and refer to everything. Now, what happens though if you're not in edit mode and you're just in viewing mode? Well, this is the simple one. It probably works more or less how you think it works. So we're here just on the home page, the C2C home page, with the forum index and our little wall on the left, on the right side. I'll just go into a forum again. If I click on this forum here, whether I'm on the home page, and then click on a note, then I see it on the right side. If I click on a forum index, we get the forum index here. Click on one of those forums, we get that same view. We click on it and we see basically a viewing. So you really get the list on the left and the information on the right. If we go to websites, we get a simple page. We click on a website and we see it here. At this point, we have it a little bit constrained, so that you have to scroll here at the bottom. So that's not ideal at this point in time. And this is a great place to just add your links. In the very near future, we will expand this for the whole screen. But this is where you just have quick access to your websites. Websites, much handier of how it integrates when you have the editing window open. Engagement is just your engagement, and we are going to be talking a little bit more about that. That is the reporting of all the things that get tracked, the notes and replies that you have of all the participants, and if you are a participant, yours in comparison to the rest of the community. Search, on the other hand, if I click on something and I now want to, let's say, search an author, and I'm not in an edit mode, it really gives me my search here, all forums, and what my search parameters are, both with the drop down as well as in the breadcrumb. And if I click on one of the notes, the left side is the search and the right side is that information of the search. The beauty of this is that when you're in this mode versus the editing mode, because we're just looking for things, it'll tell you what the note is, who it is, you are viewing it from a search result, and where the note is from. So the workspace also changes to a search result, okay, instead of a forum, and you always know you're in a search with a different icon. Again, you can just toggle it in and out. Want to go to a forum, we can search a forum also. Go to a forum from the search instead of through the other methods that we've shown, but then it comes up as a search. So really, when we're going to forums, we either want to go to the home page or we want to go to the forum. But when we're searching, we will use both of the screens, and once again, you can use the panning line to move the screen back and forth. This is also handy if you're working on really small screens sometimes. So when we're working in a non-editing view, it's more or less one page at a time. It's when we're really editing that the left window is changing depending where you are on the right. And that's the only thing you want to keep track of. It's always there for you. The information's at the top, but that is the strength of C2C. We can always bring things in when we're editing. Hopefully, this makes sense.